who has looked around the market for safety glasses will have noticed that protective eyewear has become increasingly sporty in recent years. Our more recent product range is also already designed with a very sporty look. The reason for this is that design and wearing comfort are playing an increasingly important role for users. The keyword here is wearing acceptance. Only glasses that are actually worn can ultimately do their job and protect the eyes. These days, wearers are less focused on the protective function of the glasses, which is a must-have anyway, and more on design and comfort, which are the decisive factors. The boundaries between work and leisure are increasingly merging. The glasses that protect me at work are the ones I also want to wear during my leisure activities, and these glasses simply have to look cool. The Uvex Ultra Shield is exactly that, an extremely sporty safety eyewear. The design of the Uvex Ultra Shield is, of course, the absolute highlight of the model. In addition, the glasses also score points with a very comfortable nose pad, which can be individually adjusted in width, allowing for an excellent fit for the wearer. Furthermore, our special lens tints are also worth mentioning. On one hand, there's the blue mirror, which further emphasizes the design while providing perfect protection from sunlight and glare. On the other hand, there's the polar vision, which, in addition to sun and glare protection, filters out disturbing reflections caused by surface glare, especially on water surfaces, making it easier to work around bodies of water. This makes the Uvex Ultra Shield very versatile, especially suitable for outdoor activities. Of course, compromising the protection of the glasses in favor of design is not an option. The crucial protection factor is the single most important criterion, and the overall design is developed accordingly. On the other hand, the design should not suffer due to the protection requirements either. So it's a bit of a balancing act to find the right mix here. The Uvex Ultra Shield meets all the necessary requirements of the new EN ISO 16321 and is therefore also our first model that we certify and label according to this standard. In addition, by the way, it also meets the requirements of the international standards ANSI and ASNZS, which are the standards for the USA as well as Australia and New Zealand. In summary, the new EN ISO 16321 has updated the requirements of EN 166 to the latest state of the art and will accordingly replace it in Europe. Furthermore, there is the possibility that this standard could also be adopted internationally, which would make it possible to harmonize the various individual international standards in the future. Currently, however, EN ISO 16321 only applies to the European region, just as was the case with EN 166. At present, we are in a transitional period, which means that products on the market can currently be found certified according to both EN 166 and ISO. From 2030 onwards, only the ISO will be the valid standard within Europe. If you would like to delve deeper into the topic, feel free to check out our catalog or our blog for more information about the standard transition.